I am very glad to take the opportunity to congratulate and welcome all the student innovators to the School Innovation Challenge 2020 on behalf of District Educational Office, Pedapalli. Already you are all working on the course, SSC course. We all know the SSC course is very helpful in developing and creating new thoughts and makes the child brain to think. It's a very valuable course developed by the SSC team. So we get the doubt. Already SSC course is you're watching. How the course or how this video is very helpful. So let us check. So generally it is a summary of all the 15 videos what the child is going to watch. So it is prepared to continue the child in their future innovative programs to recollect the course once again. SIC course is very valuable and very worthy. The development of the course is such that it is making each and every child to think on innovative thoughts. So you can understand the course video prepared to attempt assignments before and after, and even before presenting the idea and after presenting the idea you can watch this video. So children, think on these questions. Let us see. When you see waste on the ground, what do you do? Usually you keep in the dustbin. Okay. When you see a tap in school leaking, what do you do? So generally we try to close, but you use screw to tight it. Suppose if your junior, a young student, 6th class student is crying, what will you do? You think once. So can you imagine each and every young student can solve problem? So before the participation of this SIC challenge, did you ever solve any problem in your daily life? If yes, please. Now the SIC course is designed such that it makes us to think a new thought. Already the team has given so many beautiful examples how the young students solve their problems in their schools or at home or nearby home. So now you are watching a 5 student group. So they have solved the bad smell coming from their school bathrooms. So they have interviewed so many people. They have first identified the problem. So they thought on the problem. They interviewed their principal, nearby school principal, and their IAMA and everybody, each and everyone, and they solved our problem to remove the bad smell from the school bathrooms here. So they are young and dynamic students here, this group. So another student group, a 2 student group, so they have observed in the school punishments in their school. So they are watching and they want to remove the punishment system, but it should be friendly, it should be permanent way to change the student behavior. For that purpose they thought and they have developed an innovative way. So that what we will see. The 2 students, Meera and Rohan, what they did we will see here. They have prepared a penalty card, a yellow card. They designed a discipline wheel. They made to arrange an attitude mirror. They have kept one sorry box. So each and every thing is when any student mistakes or wrong behavior or comes to late to school, then one of these will be useful to change their behavior. So teacher will give yellow card, or they have to go for discipline wheel, or they go for attitude mirror and sorry box. In that one they can write what the mistake is there. This is a interviewed. The reason for development is Meera and Rohan interviewed so many psychologists and psychiatrists. So without giving any punishment, how a child can change. So this is another beautiful example given in the SIC course. So this is Arif. He usually observing a person unable to wear and take his buttons to his shirts because of single hand. So he thought and discussed with their friends and in their home, and what they did, he used a magnetic power magnetic powered button. Automatically they stick to each other, and easily he can wear the shirt. So this is you are observing a Vinay, a sports person, a student who usually goes for walking early in the morning. But when we walk early in the morning, we will get so many problems. So there are different problems are we come across because of there may be darkness, there may be no lightning, and there may be fear of dogs, everything. So many are there. So accidents may occur. So now, do you suggest any idea to have safety while walking early in the morning in the darkness? So Vinay thought, and he is an innovator. He solved the problem. Now another we observe in the SIC course while you are watching Venu home. So we all know that in the towns generally we don't get the tap water in time or on time. So what they taught, what their parents, they usually wait for the water. So because of that one, the situation, they usually disturb their sleep. So the Venu, he prepared an idea that this is a diagram showing his innovative idea. He used a sensor. When water comes, it gives alarm. So with which there is no disturbance to their sleep, and there is no waiting for the uh, water. So this is very beautiful example observed at home only. So now we observed some of the examples given in the SIC course, how a young brain solve different problems. Now what are the steps involved in problem solving? So we will see. Feel is the first step. Give ideas will be second one. Make and test and budget will be the third one. So these are the three basic essential steps in in solving a problem. So when we are going to solve, generally we used to observe three types of persons. So in the video also, beautifully a girl, Jyoti, she's young and 11-year-old girl. She has a problem that is about the dustbin maintenance, and moreover beside her house so much of garbage is there. So what he thought, how she eradicated the problem, in the video we can watch. But depends on that one who will create a problem. They are problem creators, and though they some of the people see and they don't take into consideration, they are nothing but problem ignorers. So these two are not so good to the society, but who are needed is problem solvers. In the first example of our video, we have given a question. When you see some dust or some piece of chalk, piece of paper, or a chocolate cover, if you observe what you should do an activity that you take that one and keep in the dustbin. That is the motto of problem solver. So now we observe three types of persons in the society: problem creators, problem ignorers, problem solvers. Now, in design thinking process, the first step field we already told. Step field, what do you do? Initially, to solve a problem, we need to identify a problem first thing, and we have to understand the problem. So these are the steps involved in the field. So now, but how can you identify the problem? Generally, we will get a doubt. We are unable to develop any innovative exhibit. The reason is we have to identify first of all the problem, and we have to observe our society, our home, where we are going to come across different difficulties. So it may be school, it may be society, it may be our community. If we observe, we will find so many problems. This is the step one involved in the field. In the step two, after identifying, we have to understand the problem. In understanding the problem, we must check who are facing the problem and how the people will suffer with the problem and what are the effects with the problem and what will cause, what is the reason for the development or creating the problem. So that is nothing but users, we have to understand, effects, causes. So these are the observed in the first step involved in the field process: users, effects, causes. But after identifying users, effects and causes, so how to organize that one? They are solved with the problem tree by observing like a detective, interviewing the persons who are facing the problem. So who are users, how the users are affected, and what is the reason for the development of the problem, that is causes. So now in the solving a problem, so observation plays key role to identify users, effects and causes. Now let us go for very interesting thing, problem tree. So an innovator should prepare a problem tree. The problem tree consists of three parts here: problem statement, we understand effects, causes. You usually draw a tree, that is problem tree. At the trunk part, we write a problem statement. In the branches part, we used to write effects. In the roots part, we used to write causes. So this is the first step in the solving a problem, that is field step. We used to develop a problem tree. So this is very interesting and useful thing. You must design a problem tree to solve any problem. In the field step only, we are observing and developing a problem tree, and we are going to interview some persons how the problem arise in the society. So that is nothing but interviewing. Now you are watching, this is a photograph from your SSC course only. So student is interviewing Ayama in the school. What is the reason for bad smell, and how the bathrooms are affected with bad smell, and why we are getting, that is interviewed with Ayama only. So this is the interview part. While you are interviewing, you must respect the interviewer, and you should ask politely. So there are some basic courtesy you must maintain. So second part in the problem solving is, after field, give ideas. Okay, we identified the problem, we understand the problem, and how the solution for the problem is developed, that is from brainstorming. First step in the give ideas. So brainstorming, we used to sit with our group friends of group friends, our friends group of friends. We share our idea and we present our idea either by drawing, writing, or speaking. So while we are speaking, nothing we are discussing, you should not laugh. We have to listen carefully. So this is a second part in the give ideas. So brainstorming will develop the thoughts here. Second thing is idea selection. While we are discussing in our group of friends, we must select the idea here. So the idea should be very useful and innovative. And we must check for monetary issues also. So suppose the ideas can be combined together. So more than one idea can be combined to make a different new innovative idea to solve the problem. Now here the last step involved in the final designing of the innovative idea to the problem is make and test. In the make and test, after brainstorming, after identifying the problem, after taking the idea from the group, we prepare our idea. We are making our idea in three ways, either by drawing a plan, storyboard, or prototype. So this is nothing but giving solution to the problem in our surroundings. So drawing a plan, nothing but just now we have seen Venu home, he has drawn a circuit, that is a drawing plan. We can storyboard, we can use, that is a sequence of story with some pictures. Prototype, nothing but we can prepare a model, working model, how it works also we can see and we can test. So this is a step very useful in developing our thoughts or preparing preparing an idea, how much it is useful in future. So in this step only the improvement will be done for the idea. So now in the test idea only we are understanding, just now we discussed, we come to know how this idea will solve a problem and what we need to improve. So in this only we come to understand the what are the resources available and what are the materials required to finalize our exhibit. And the monetary issue like budget also will be considered in the make and test final step. Now just now in the make and test, the final step only will involve the improvement of the idea. You are observing a picture of evolution of the bicycle. You have given this example is given in your SSC course also. You see here in different years how the cycle we used to observe the different modifications in the wheel structure and the comfortness. So in different years the cycle is modified. So this is because of make and test step only. So now this is done in the final step, how what is the need of any changes or improvement is found in the make and test. Now understood what are the different stages in the problem solving. First is feel, give idea, and make and test. But can you imagine identifying to the final product? What are the different steps? Let us see. This is a very important thing in your daily life. In our future, we have to remember. First, what do you do? Find a problem, understand the problem, Think of many ideas, pick the best solution, try to solve the problem with the solution, make the solution better. This is come under make and test. See if the problem is solved. If it is not so, do the action again. So these are the 8 important steps given in our SIC course, very useful, and we have to keep in mind in each and every innovative ideas. So while we are any scientist will follow the same 8 steps. So these are the very important steps. Remember here. This is the order developed from our development of any exhibit or innovative idea only. This is not the rule. So it is a process of evaluating or developing any new innovative thought. So children, all the very best. This is Surendra Palerla, actually working as school assistant physical science, Pedapalli district. So thank you all. I hope you create so many innovative activities. So thank you all. Thank you for giving me opportunity. Thank you one and all.